Hello friends, welcome to Pristine Tech School channel. I'm Param and friends, today we are going to learn include statement in PHP. Friends, today we will learn this PHP include statement and PHP require statement. Friends, in my previous video I explained PHP math functions better. If you want to learn this, you can find that video on our channel. Our previous videos link is mentioned in the description below. Blog link is also in the description. Guys, I very frequently upload videos on various technologies. I also create videos considering the interview questions in mind. If you have any particular topic on which you want me to create detailed video, let me know in the comment section below. So friends, subscribe and press the little bell icon. Now friends, let's start with PHP include statement. PHP allows you to include files so that a page content can be reused many times. Friends, there are two ways to include file in PHP. First is include statement and second is require statement. Friends, let's start with include statement. As I told you, PHP allows you to include files so that a page content can be reused many times. PHP include is used to include file on the basis of given path. You may use relative or absolute path of a file. Including file is very useful when you want to include the same PHP, HTML or text on multiple pages of a web pages. Now let's start with the PHP include statement. First of all friends, for this concept we need two files. First is HTML file and second is PHP file. Now let's start with coding in the HTML file. Now friends, in the HTML file, here I am using a tag. A tag is the anchor tag. And here I am giving a links in the anchor tag. First link and second link. Save it, and now let's start with the coding in PHP file. First of all, I am using h1 tag from the outside of PHP tag. Now in the PHP tag, here I am using a include statement. Friends, Here I am giving a path of my HTML file. HTML file name is include.html. Save it. See, this is our output. This is our first link and this is second. These links are clickable. This is our first link, our website, and this is second link. This is our YouTube channel. Now friends, next statement is a PHP require function. PHP require function is similar to include. Let's see a simple PHP require example. I will change here function name require, save it, and refresh it and see output is same. This is a required statement. Now friends, what's the difference between these both statements? The include or required statements takes all the text, code, markup that exist in the specified file and copies it into a file that uses a required statement. And advantages of these both statements is the code reusability. By the help of include and require construct, we can use HTML code or PHP script in many PHP scripts. PHP include and require statements are identical except upon a failure. Include statement will only proceed a warning and a script will continue. Require will produce a fatal error and stop the script. See how it will work. If here I am using echo statement, hello world, save it, and refresh. And suppose friends, if here I am giving a error, suppose I am removing a H from HTML file and save it and run. See, this statement gives me a warning. And friends, if here I am using a keyword include and save it, now see, it will giving me a error and but other program code is running. Here echo statement is working. This is a difference between the require and include statement. Require statement also used to include file into a PHP code. However, there is a big difference between include and require. When a file is included with the include statement and PHP cannot find it, the script will continue to execute. It is possible to insert the content of one PHP file into another PHP file before the server executes it with the include and require statement. So if you want to execute to go on show users output, even if include file is missing, use the include statement. Otherwise, in the case of frameworks, CMS or complex PHP application coding, always use a require statement to include a key file to the flow of execution. It will help avoiding compromising your application security and integrity just in case of one key file is accidentally missing. Including files save a lots of work. This means that you can create standard header, footer and menu files for all your web pages. Then when the header needs to be updated, you can only update the header include file. Now friends, this is a include statement and require statement tutorial. Friends, I hope you will like this tutorial. Let me know if you have any follow-up question in the comment section below. We will coming soon with our next exciting parts. If you friends you like our tutorial, then please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe the channel, and also press the little bell icon so that you get notified. Thank you.